Hello everyone, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. Nice, quick, easy chickpea salad. So, really, like I say, really easy. Mixing bowl. We're going to drop in. I'm using a can of chickpeas here. If you're using from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water. And then you can add what you want. I'm going with a cup of white onion. That might be a lot for some of you, but I like that in there. About a cup of cucumber. Then we're going to go with some tomatoes. You can be adding anything you want in here, quite frankly. Then I've got some bell peppers that I've cut nice and small. Very, very simple. Little bit of cilantro or any fresh herb I think is wonderful. Just give that a little mix. Then we're going to make a really simple kind of vinaigrette. So you're going to need some oil. You're going to need about 4 parts to 1 part oil to what I'm using, lemon or vinegar. It's very, very simple this. Then we're going to just drop in some salt and some pepper. If you want, you can get a little bit of garlic in this. And then I'm going to put some mustard in it, about a tablespoon of your favourite mustard. All you do is give that a little boom, 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 boom. Super easy. Pour that over. Give that a mix. It's delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.